The Current Trucking team has spent nearly 20 years designing, constructing, and operating complex renewable energy projects in the U.S. and abroad. We are taking the lessons of harnessing the power of the wind and irradiance from the sun to the road. To make a dent, we're addressing the biggest vehicles on the road, Class 8 semis. To drive change at this critical intersection, Current brings the trucks, chargers, and green electron-based charging under a fixed-rate service offering. We're breaking away from internal combustion engines while providing our operators, deployment partners, and carriers a complete solution that keeps drivers focused on the road ahead while we do the rest. By combining leading manufacturers of semi-trucks and our experience in developing and interconnecting some of the power industry's toughest projects, Current can power electrification across any tire tread. Trucks, electrical infrastructure, and fixed-rate e-charging. That's Current Trucking, and that's how we are pulling green forward.